Working with custom voice content for Unreal Engine games and have a UCV file. This is a specialized voice asset used in Unreal-powered games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import and work with these Unreal custom voice files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult UCV files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. A UCV file contains custom voice commands and taunts for the classic first-person shooter, Unreal Tournament. Players create or download these packs to personalize their in-game character's audio feedback, enhancing the multiplayer experience. Users typically search for these files to install new voice packs or troubleshoot compatibility issues. The UCV format is a proprietary container, likely wrapping a compressed audio format like ADPCM, optimized for low-latency playback during gameplay. It's designed as a simple package, bundling multiple sound clips with metadata linking them to specific in-game events, ensuring efficient loading and triggering by the game engine. The standard opener for UCV is known to be Unreal Tournament developed by Epic Games. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot show meaningful content, so proper handling relies on the game or supporting utilities. Let's make this simple. Right-click the UCV file and hit Open With. If Unreal Tournament is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If you cannot access the UCV file, no problem. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, importing an Unreal Engine. Launch Unreal Engine Editor and open the project containing the UCV asset. Use the Content Browser Import button to bring UCV files into the project. The editor processes the voice data, creating sound cue assets with associated metadata for use in blueprint actors and animation systems. Next, extracting audio data. Use Unreal Engine asset extraction tools like umodel or umodel.gildor.org to extract the underlying audio data from UCV files. The extracted audio typically converts to WAV or OGG format playable in standard audio applications. Check game modding documentation for the specific extraction approach. Finally, playing voice files. If the UCV file is from a specific game, install the game and locate the voice playback options within the game settings or character interaction menus. The game engine uses UCV files internally during gameplay, providing context-appropriate playback rather than direct file opening through external applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.